back to my channel. We are back again with another beautiful video, and trust me, I'm here for everyone. So this is for my girlies out there. So guys, this video is about what you actually need as a girl or as a lady, what you need, like your daily use for your hair care, your hair tools for your maintenance for your hair, like every accessories and every tools you need. We are going to talk about it, and I'm going to show you guys what I think as a lady or as a girl what you actually need. So guys, I'm going to be bringing each of these tools out here. In case you have them already, kudos to you, and in case you don't, you can actually get it in future or very soon, because you actually need it as a lady. So let's move right straight. First here we have this straightening brush. As a girl, you actually need this for your hair. This is one of the tools you actually need. You just need to plug this, and then you can straighten this with your hair. Trust me, this works very fine. And you can actually put it in your bag in your handbag, in your hand luggage, or in your box while traveling. You actually need it for vacation, for holidays. Right now this summer, you actually need it. So as a girl, I would advise you to go get a hair straightening brush. You can check it on anywhere and get it. This is so nice, like it's good. Like you on the go, you straighten your hair. It's straightening brush. This is curly hair, I can't actually use it on it right now. So but when you're on straight hair, you actually need this for your hair straightening. So let's move straight to the next one. This cute hair bonnet. We all know hair bonnet to secure your hair. Why? Maybe you just installed your hair, or you just came back from the salon, or you want to just protect your hair. Actually your natural hair, your hair that you have installed, you actually need a bonnet. We all know what a bonnet is. You just put it on, and then your hair is secured. This is actually nice. I love, like guys, I have this so much. So trust me, as a girl, if you don't have this as a bonnet, oh my god, what are you using to protect your hair? So I'm just kidding. Let's move straight. Of course, we all know a brush. You need a brush to brush your hair on the go. If your hair is rough, you need this. Is actually a very good tool for your hair care or for your accessories as a lady. And also this is a band. You actually need this because in case you went to install your hair in a salon, and then you have to protect your edges. Oh my god, you need this, because when you protect your edges, your hairs are intact and protected. Trust me, I love having this all the time. And next here, this is like the edges brush, because when you want to make your edges, maybe you have natural hair just like me. Forget that I'm putting on a wig. I actually have a fussy natural hair. I actually have this because if I want to like protect my edges or make it look neat or fine, I actually use this brush. You guys see this, and we all know this. So this is actually the best tool ready go. Next, you need a water bottle and a wig cap. You guys, you know what a wig cap is. We actually use this when you want to install your wig, or you just want to put it on your natural hair, just like that. So many people do it a lot just to protect their hairs. You need this wig cap. And next, this is water bottle. I love having it because a water bottle is important as a lady, because you actually need to put your conditioner if you want, or your water if you want. But most importantly, if you have a coily hair, I will advise you go on with your conditioner and your water. That's all. And then you spray onto your hair, mix it together, and then spray to your hair. It makes your coils pop. It makes your coils intact. It makes your coils more shiny and beautiful naturally. So this is what you need in water bottle for. I love having it. Or if you don't want to add a conditioner, go ahead, use only water. Yeah, that is why it's called a water bottle. So actually it's a water bottle. Or you want to dehydrate your hair, you want to moisturize your hair, put water on your natural hair if you want. In some cases, coily hair, you put it, and then your curls are popping. So next we have the next hair dryer here. We all know what hair dryer is. This is actually one of the best good tool we need, because you can go ahead and wash your hair. You can do wash day to day, and then what do you want to use to dry your hair? A blow dryer. So you actually need this blow dryer to dry your hair. Just enjoy the heat, and your hair is is already drying. Or even if you go to the salon, you can take yours along, or you use the salon hair dryer. You can actually see the salon have their hair dryer, so why don't you have your own hair dryer? So this is a hair dryer. When you wash your hair, you do the sorry, this is like just like that. It's simple. This, like when you wash your hair, you with shampoo and conditioner, you trust me, you need a hair dryer to dry your hair, to blow dry your hair. Yes, and it also straighten your hair a bit. Yes, that's a little trick. But the most important thing is that it dries your hair when it's wet. Maybe you're under the rain, or you just wash your hair under the shower, and then you come out from the shower. Please blow dry your hair immediately, because if you want to use air dryer, like you want to wait for the air to dry your hair, trust me, you're gonna wait. Like, but this is gonna just next tools I'm showing you is the blowout brush. This brush, guys, take a look at this. This is cute. I love it because there are different type of it, but this is what I have, and that is what I'm showing you guys. So this is a blowout brush. You can actually use it to blow out your hair, and it gives you a natural coil. I love it. Whenever I use this, trust me, it gives me that blowout coils. I love it. And just, you know, simple use, natural coils that I actually love. So you actually need these blowout coils, yeah. So you can actually have this. So yes, as a girl, you actually need a wig. It is not very 100% important, because I know most of us like rocking our own natural hair, of course, but some people out there actually love wigs. So if you rock wig, or you love, your wig lover, kudos. You actually need a wig for all these essentials. Yes, you need it for your blow dryer, blow out, the edges, control everything. So I'll actually advise you get a wig to actually secure your hair in a protective hairstyle. So next, this is a coiler. Yes, I know you guys will be wondering. If you watched my previous videos about how to wash and style, or how to install, you actually see this. I actually use it to coil my body wave hair. So in case you have a wavy hair, this is a go tool for you. You actually need this to coil your hairs. Or you have a straight hair and you want to transform it into a coily hair, you have this. You actually need this, trust me. You need it for your straight hair, you need it for your coily hair to secure your coils back. I actually love using it, especially for my coily hairs. It works perfect. Like even for a straight hair, good, it's a go. So guys, this is a coiler for your straight. So this is a ghost bond. What's a ghost bond? A ghost bond is a glue or a bond that actually melts down your wig. Yes, in case you're a wig lover, this is for you. If you don't have this, then how do you install your wig? How do you install your wig? I'm not saying you should 100% have it, because some people actually use got to be spray to install their wig, but you actually need this to secure it more, to stay in a longer days, like for longer days, if you want to carry your legs longer. So next we have this brush. I know you'll be wondering, this is not for makeup, this is for your wig. In case you want to, like maybe the lace of your wig is white, you use this to tint it a bit, like tint your wig a bit to give you that your natural tone color, so it doesn't, you don't look off, like odd, in a way that your hair, your wig is not matching your skin. Use your foundation to just line it a bit, and that's it. That is the work of this little brush. So next we have scissors. What do you need the scissors for? You could actually want to cut off something in your wig, maybe to cut off your lace, or to cut off any excess hairs or anything, just to adjust your hair, and that's it. That is why you need a scissor. This could be big or it could be medium, just like this. So next we have this. This is a hair wax. What's a hair wax? An hair wax is, I actually use this, you guys can see, and it smells good. So an hair wax is what you use to make your edges look neat. Yeah, your edge control. Yes, it looks like a gel. You actually make your edges look more neat. So next we have this hair straightener here. As a girl, you actually need hair straightener, just like an hair dryer or a coiler. So this is just the alternative for a straight hair, or you have a coily hair and you want to straighten it. Trust me, a hair straightener can do that. Just straighten even your natural hair. For your protective hairstyles, you can just straighten your hair. If you don't want to go ahead and be using relaxer on your natural hair. Just straighten your hair and that's it. Then have your cornrows or have your wig, then you're good to go. So having this is very important. Next, this is actually a serum. This is a liquid serum. You can rub this on your hair, on your natural hair, or even on your wig. Like, it protects your hair. It's a natural leave-in serum. Like, it gives you that shiny natural hair, or even your wigs. It moisturizes it, makes it look good, makes it look, smells nice. You actually need it. There are different types, so you can go ahead and get this for your natural. You can actually put it in your handbag, your anywhere.